Good morning, children. Let us start UKG class. Today I am going to teach about EVS subject. In the previous class, what you learned, children? In the previous class, I given some activities. No, so you all have done the activity, children. What I am giving? Fruits and vegetables, domestic animals, wild animals, birds, and means of transportation. And I'll given parts of the body also. You collect the pictures and paste in the classwork. I'll given that activity also, children. You remember, children? I'll given that activity also. So you all have done the activity. I'll hope you all have done the activity. Otherwise, if you not done the activity, you sit and do the activity. If you already done the activity, so you write in this lesson. I'll given notes for in this lesson in the next video. So you see there and write in the classwork, children, what I am showing there. No, so you also seeing that video and you sit and write this lesson classwork, children. I'll given this lesson notes also in next video. So you seeing that video and sit and write the classwork. First you listen this oral, children. Now I am doing here parts of the body oral. Our body has many parts. This is first lesson number 1, children, parts of the body. You listen carefully and you also say along to children. Our body has many parts. Take good care of the body. It is the finest gift of God to us. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹದ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಅದನ್ನು ಆರೋಗ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ಇದು ನಮಗೆ ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಂಥ ಒಂದು ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದ ಕೊಡುಗೆ. ಟೇಕ್ ಗುಡ್ ಕೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಬಾಡಿ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ದ ಫೈನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಗಾಡ್ ಟು ಹಸ್. ನಮಗೆ ದೇವರು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತವಂಥ ಅಮೂಲ್ಯವಾದಂಥ ಒಂದು ಕೊಡುಗೆ. ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ ಇನ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್. ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ದೇಹವನ್ನು ಕ್ಲೀನಾಗಿ ಇಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಕೀಪ್ ಅವರ್ ಬಾಡಿ. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು, ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳನ್ನ ನೀಟಾಗಿರೋ ಅಂಥ ಬಟ್ಟೆಗಳು ಹಾಕಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರ್ ಕ್ಲೀನ್ ಕ್ಲಾತ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಬಾತ್ ಡೈಲಿ. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾವು ಪ್ರತಿದಿನ ಸ್ನಾನವನ್ನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ವಿ ಟೇಕ್ ಬಾತ್ ಡೈಲಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ we must keep our body in clean. You understand, children? Now let us see the parts of the body, children. You also say along with me. You see the pictures, children. We'll given the picture. First, head. Head means tale. Hair means ಕೂದಲು. Forehead ane. Eyes ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳು. Ears ಕಿವಿಗಳು. Nose ಮೂಗು. Lips ತುಟಿ. Neck ಕುತ್ತಿಗೆ. Fingers. Next you come to the left side, children. Sorry, you see the left side. Fingers ಬೆರಳುಗಳು. Thumb ಹೆಬ್ಬೆರಳು. Shoulders ಭುಜ. Hands ಕೈಗಳು. Stomach ಹೊಟ್ಟೆ. Chest elbows ಮೊಣಕೈ. Thighs legs ಕಾಲುಗಳು. ನೀಸ್ ಮಂಡಿ. ಫುಟ್ ಪಾದ. ಟೋಸ್ ಕಾಲಿನ ಬೆರಳುಗಳು. ಓಕೆ, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಒನ್ಸ್ ಅಗೇನ್ ಐ ರಿಪೀಟ್ ಫಾರ್ ಯು. ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಸೇ ಅಲಾಂಗ್ ವಿತ್ ಮಿ, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. ಹೆಡ್, ಹೇರ್, forehead, eyes, ears, nose, lips, neck, chest, elbows, knees, foot, toes. And come to the left side, children. You see the right side of the body. Fingers, thumb, shoulders, hands, stomach, thighs, legs. You understand, children? This is all parts of the body. How can we see, children? How can we see? How do we see, children? We see with my eyes. We see with my eyes. We see with our eyes. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ಬೋದು. How do we see? We see with our eyes. And how do we work, children? We work our hands. How do we work, children? We work with our hands. And we see with eyes, we hear with ears, we smell with nose, we taste with tongue, we work with hands, we walk with legs. Let us see the pictures, children, here. What will given here? You see the pictures. First one is what, children? First one picture what, children? Eyes. Second, ears. Third one, nose. Fourth one, tongue. Fifth one, hands. Sixth one, legs. We see with eyes. ನಾವು ನಮ್ಮ ಕಣ್ಣುಗಳಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಇಯರ್ ವಿತ್ ಇಯರ್ಸ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಕಿವಿಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. ವಿ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ಮೈ ನೋಸ್. ವಿ ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ವಿತ್ ನೋಸ್, ಮೂಗಿಂದ ನಾವು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ವಾಸನೆಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ, ವಾಸನೆಯನ್ನು ಗ್ರಹಿಸ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂತ. ವಿ ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ವಿತ್ ಟಂಗ್, ನಾಲ್ಗೆಯಿಂದ ರುಚಿಯನ್ನು ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿತೀವಿ. ವಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್, ಕೈಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೆಲಸವನ್ನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ವಿ ವಾಕ್ ವಿತ್ ಲೆಗ್ಸ್, ಕಾಲುಗಳಿಂದ ನಾವು ನಡೀತೀವಿ. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಮಕ್ಕಳ? ಯು ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟುಡ್? ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸ್ ಡೂ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾವ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್? ಐ ವಿಲ್ ಆಸ್ಕ್ ಸಮ್ ಕ್ವಶನ್ಸ್, ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್. If you know the answer, tell me. How many hands do you have, children? We have 2 hands. Only we have 2 hands. How many legs do you have? We have 2 legs. How do we see, children? We see with our eyes. How do we work? We work with our hands. How do we walk, children? We walk our legs. We walk with our legs. And you see this one also, children. You say this one also. I see with my eyes, and I smell with my nose. I taste with my tongue. I feel with my skin, and I listen with my ears. This one also you tell, children. And how many organs each do you have, children? I'll ask some question, and if you know the answer, tell with me. How many eyes do you have, children? 2. Answer is 2. How many ears do you have, children? 2 ears. How many hands do you have? We have 2 hands. How many legs you have? 2 legs. How many fingers do you have, children? 10 fingers. How many mouth you have, children? 1. How many nose you have, children? If you have only 1 nose. Which parts of the body help us walk, children? Which parts of the body help us to walk? Legs. We walk with our legs. Okay, children, you understood? Okay, this is first lesson for you, children. Parts of the body, you should learn this oral, and next I'll send writing video also, and there also I'm doing oral, children. So you listen the oral, and afterwards you seeing that video, what I'm writing there, no? So you also see and write in the class. So you should say and write the spellings, children. Otherwise you cannot learn. So you see and write, and you say and write also. I'll send PDF page also. I'll send, children. You see there and write. And you first you say the spellings. Afterwards you make the words and tell. Okay, children. For example, EYES eyes, HAIR hair, EARS ears, NOSE nose, HANDS hands. And you also make these words, children. You should say the spellings after you make a words. Okay, you understood, children? I hope you could understood. Parts of the body. Take good care of the body, and it is the finest gift of the God to us. Our body has many parts. And how many sense of organs do you have, children? We have 5 sense of organs. What are those, children? Ears, eyes, nose, tongue, and skin. Okay, children? Eyes, ears, nose, tongue, and skin. This is 5 sense of organs. You remember this, children. You always remember this. 5 sense of organs: eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin. Okay, children. We must keep our body good and healthy. You also take care of your body, and you must keep your body in clean, and you must take a bath daily, and you must wear clean clothes. Okay, children, and you must brush your teeth every day 2 times, twice a day. You brush your teeth morning and night. Okay, you understood, children? I hope you could understand. Okay, children, any doubts, children? Parts of the body. This is lesson for you, children. So you learn oral and you written in the classwork. I'll give an notes also, children. So you see there and write in the classwork. You should say and write and learn oral also, children. Okay. Once again I repeat, children, you must keep your body in clean, and you take a bath daily, and brush your teeth in twice a day, morning and night, and you must wear clean clothes and take care of your body. You must keep good and healthy. Okay, children? Thank you, children. We will meet in the next class.